In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts on Manychat. If you're managing a contact list through Manychat, you'll know that sometimes it becomes necessary to clean up your contact list for better organization and efficiency. So let's walk through the steps to ensure you can easily manage those contacts and keep everything streamlined. First things first, you'll want to log into your Manychat account. Simply head over to the Manychat login page and sign in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready to take control of your contact list. After logging in, direct your attention to the contacts page. This is your central hub for managing all the people who interact with your Manychat setup. It's where you can view and organize everyone you've been engaging with through the platform. With the contacts page open, the next step is to select the contacts you wish to delete. Consider why you're removing them. It might be due to lack of interaction or simply because the list is getting too crowded. Whatever the reason, click on each contact you want to remove. Manychat allows you to streamline this process by selecting multiple contacts at once, simplifying your management tasks. Once you've selected all the necessary contacts, it's time to initiate the deletion process. For this, look for and click on the Bulk Actions button. This handy feature allows you to perform a wide range of actions on multiple contacts simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Now the final step is crucial. Scroll down to find and select Delete Contact. Do this meticulously because, as you might know, the deletion process is permanent. Once a contact is deleted, it cannot be retrieved. Carefully consider whether you want to remove these contacts before confirming the delete action. Before you proceed, let's quickly go over a few essential tips regarding contact management. Be cautious when using the unsubscribe from account and delete contact actions, as both are irreversible processes. Clearly define which contacts are no longer beneficial to your list, focusing on those who don't interact to keep it clean and efficient. Leveraging tags and custom user fields is a smart way to organize and categorize your remaining contacts. These tools can help you manage your interactions in a more streamlined way, ensuring your messaging is targeted and effective. By carefully executing these steps, you'll maintain a contact list that is both organized and easy to manage. Your Manychat dashboard will reflect only active and engaged contacts, allowing you to focus your efforts on those who matter most. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to delete contacts on Manychat, helping you maintain an efficient and organized contact list. Happy managing!